So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert lines here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left here to where it says insert, press on insert, then go to where it says shapes right here. So right in between pictures and icons, press on shapes right here, press on the drop down right here. And where it says lines right here, there's a whole bunch of different options. So if you just wanted to add like a very basic line, I press on the first one right here. And you can go ahead and draw the line however you want. You can do that. And once that is done, you can change the color of the line by going to this. You can change it to a red line if you want. You can press on the line right here as well and change a whole bunch of different options. So what you can actually do is tap on it right here, just like that. And you can kind of bring it this way, do whatever you have to do. If you want to insert maybe another line, for example, we'll go to shapes right here and insert. How about this line right here of like a couple different arrows? I'll just do it just like this. And same thing, you can go to the shape icon right here. You can change it to red. You can kind of play around with it, do whatever you have to do. It's pretty straightforward. So super simple, super easy. But this is how you guys can insert a line into your document here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.